Hey y'all, it's taste test time. We're at KFC and we're trying, well not we, I'm trying the Beyond fried chicken, the fake chicken. See if it's worth having. It looks like one of those frozen chicken nugget dinners that you get for kids, the $1.99 special. It actually has chicken texture. Look at that. The coating, though, is definitely not 7 or 100 herbs and spices, whatever.
It doesn't look like this.
It does not look like this.
I know.
Anyway, okay, thank you. Tastes slightly better than I expected. I'm really surprised by the texture. It actually does look like chicken-ish. And it kind of tastes like the we can't remember the kids meal chicken nugget things, but that's kind of what it reminds me of. It's
You mean from a restaurant based in Oak Brook, Illinois?
No.
That has golden arches? Oh.
No.
Encore?
Anyway, thank you for helping. They're okay. I got a chicken little sandwich just in case this was inedible. It's edible, so I'll be okay. And that's all I got to say about that. It's right about there on the thumbs up scale. So thanks for watching. Y'all have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Bye.